If you run a business with less than 10 employees, then this video is for you. Hi, I am Harish Gurdeti, AWS Certified Solutions Architect and AI Developer. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for all the people who run their own business with less than 10 employees and try to manage everything most of the time by yourself, right? So if you're running a business with less than 10 employees, you are probably using AI, right? Like ChatGPT and say some of the AI tools. What if I say one AI software can run your entire small business? So that's what we are going to find out today. So today I'm going to show you how Amazon Quick Suite can help solopreneurs or consultants or business owners with less than 10 employees run their entire business, from sales, marketing, uh, delivery, operations, everything through through a single product. So let's dive in. So if I'm logged into Amazon Quick, which is Amazon Quick Suite. So what you probably saw my other videos, or if you haven't, if you see the introduction video of Amazon Quick Suite, you will understand what it is, what it can do and stuff. So today I'm going to talk about very specific things that are related to the small business owners who are running everything by themselves. So what do we need as a solopreneur or a consultant or a small business with less than 10 employees? One, we need to be able to create proposals, send proposals, and things like that quickly, right? Two, you probably need help with creating content so that you can promote your business on social media or on the websites and things like that. Three, what you need is you need to be able to automate some of the work, that manual work that you regularly do, right? Then probably you also need based on your business, you want to see what competitors are doing, what is happening, and things like that. So basically, that's the research aspect that every business owner does. Finally, you want to know the numbers. You want to know how your business is doing, what is coming in, what is going out, all that stuff, right? So Amazon Quick understands, AWS basically understands this requirement, absolutely well. And with Amazon Quick Suite, they nailed it. The product is absolutely geared towards both small business owners running, their entire business, or enterprises at scale. So here, when you see Amazon Quick Suite, what you see is a very clean UI with different things that you see on top, which is spaces, chat, flows, and then you have research, right? The spaces will let you differentiate, lets you segregate, uh, your entire business functions. So you can create a space for marketing, you can create a space for um, you know for sales, you can create a space for customer service. So you can create different spaces, right? And then build the spaces with required knowledge, and so that you can use that space to deliver the outcomes that you want, right? That spaces, the chat agents are really, your company has a lot of information, maybe a lot of customers, a lot of data, and you want to sometimes, you spend time thinking about, or you spend time trying to figure out, hey, I did this work some time back, right? This is a common thing. We always come to when we when we are faced with a situation, we always think, hey, I did, looks like I did this work somewhere. I know this answer for, from some project or something like that, right? So, and you don't know where to sit. You spend another 20-30 minutes just going through the OneDrive or Google Drive and stuff like that. So with chat agents, once it knows what is going on within your business, all it you need to do is ask it a question and it'll answer, right? That allows you to save significant amount of time trying to go through all the files and stuff like that, which is super crazy, right? It is not really what do you call the ideal way to do. So that's chat. Then the flow. So you, as a business owner, you regularly try to go ahead and do some tasks. You have some tasks that you do regularly, and what flows do is they help you automate those kind of tasks, like, hey, creating a post and posting it on on LinkedIn, right? Or stuff like or uh, uh, creating a report every single day. All that stuff can be done with flows. So, and then finally you have something called research, which is basically your, how do you go ahead and do the, finally you have something called research, which basically is how do you go ahead and do your competitor analysis, or do your deep research about a new product offering that probably is available, that you want to launch, whatever the topic may be, right? You can use deep research, a powered research, right? So that gives you a lot of insights, a lot of insights into new things that you want to try. So as you see, you have everything you need, right? I'm not saying it'll replace your Google Doc or Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or whatever, right? So what it does, what it does do is it consolidates all your AI subscriptions into one single product, so you can go ahead and you know um, get the best outcomes that your business needs. So yeah, I'm happy to show you a customized demo, build a customized demo for you, or anything that you need to get started with Amazon Quick Suite. So please do leave a comment, do subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.